Hello, in today's video we'll be doing a battery swap on an iPhone 6s. First thing you want to do is take the bottom two screws out. Or in this case, if the screw is stripped, just pop it out. Then you're going to take your thin tool, you're going to pop this phone open. Oh, turned it on accidentally. Well, I'm going to disconnect the battery anyway in a minute. This one's already been repaired before. I'm just going to go ahead and disconnect the battery. Then what you want to do is take out the haptic feedback engine, the haptic engine. This will make removing the battery much easier. So now you can either choose to remove the screen and do this, or you can leave it on. I have a bit more experience removing these batteries, so I'm just going to leave the screen on because I don't think I'll damage it. However, if you do not feel confident in the repair, just go ahead, take those 4 screws out, remove the screen, and place it aside after you disconnect it from the board. So if those tabs snap, what you want to do is gently pry up underneath and see if you can actually grab a piece of it. Because if you can actually grab a piece of the adhesive, it'll actually make the repair a little bit easier. Next thing you're going to do, I have a battery that has the adhesive pre-installed. If not, just cut 2 sheets of double-sided adhesive. Reconnect your battery. I like to click it in, push it against kind of where the motherboard is, and then level it down. That way you don't secure the adhesive down crooked. Then reinstall the haptic feedback. Put the bracket back on. I don't even know if this person, whoever fixed it last, put the right screw in there. I'm just trying to find a comparable screw. There we go. And close it up. Turn it back on. Reinstall the bottom 2 screws. There you have it.